Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Okay. Ada?
Within contextual objects, read and others.
I took for the semester test from the question from the students. But unfortunately, because this is the first, maybe the second semester, yeah, the second semester, because the first semester only this present the material. Karena kita belum berbagi secara individu tugasnya. Nanti di semester 2 baru individu. Tapi tidak ada kemungkinan yang muncul pertanyaan ini, mungkin muncul pertanyaan satu dari materi ini. Because I prepared 60% from the last materials till the end. 60% items for semester test, but 40% from the previous material. Sampai dengan apa materi saya? Terakhir sampai mid materi. Maybe you can add. What is your name?
Nanda Agung.
Okay, Nanda Agung.
So if we talk about the differences, a crime is an offense against the whole society. That is a crime.
That's crime. The whole society. That's you underline. The whole society. Violation?
Really specific.
Specific or something, right? For example,
rule like if I hit him, you will get hurt and he can.
get a
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you get the differences between the two, right? So, jadi yang crime is more general.
We try for the answering the first question from the Mr. Gunawan. Thank you for question. So what is the difference between a crime and violation? A crime is any conduct that either by action or inaction is violates criminal laws. For the example, the murder is the forbidden and punished by criminal law. A violation of the law is any conduct or lack of it that goes against what the law order. This is the crime and swearing.
When something new not going well, that's no problem. But if nowadays you have something different, or you want to add offense against property, mungkin ada pengalaman offense against property. To the next question, raise your hand. You raise your hand. Okay, you what is your name?
My name is Rivaldo.
Rivaldo. Okay, the question from Rivaldo. You read loudly.
Okay. I have a question from Wiki. Please answer my question.
Yeah.
The question, briefly explain the conclusion of the text. What is crime? That's right. Yeah. Briefly.
You ask them to read to answer, or you ask them to summarize?
Both of them, sir.
Actually, this is instruction, not question, right?
Yeah.
Please summarize this. Instruction. For the first presentation this evening, we have what's crime, right? What's crime? So the presenter will read the papers in maybe in 10 minutes. Yeah. After presenter finishing the reading the materials, so presenter will offer some questions to you. So please raise your hand when you have questions. And I hope you have a question, at least one question for one minute. Do not silently. And after question, maybe two questions together, and then let the presenter answer the questions, and then you may give reasons for the answering. If the answer is not satisfied now, yeah?
Yeah.
Was if the answer is not satisfying you, you just give. I'm not satisfied yet with your answer. So what is the reason? Okay. Ready? You raise your hand when you have questions, and for the when you friends raise your hand.
Okay.
Then we move to the second question. Our presenter you want to answer one question, one answer or what?
The next.
Okay, the second question.
The next.
You make notes the question. Ada lagi ya? Tiga nih? Atau kumpulkan satu-satu?
Ini belum jelas pertanyaan. What the difference?
What is the difference between crime
Between crime
and violation?
violation.
Between crime.
The closing statement from the presenter, and we still have some more minutes to talk, right? Now, please.
Okay, everyone. This is our presentation. So already finished. Then we hope my friend for the next presentation can be prepared about the other subject. So we hope tonight enjoy with our presentation. Thank you very much and have a good night.
Okay, this is very important question, right? Two conceptions of criminality. The presenter will answer your question presented by Agung Jumlah.
What are the two essential components the operation of the criminal law? As well.
Specific law kalau yang ada di Google sih.
Okay, you can
Violation is an action that brings or acts against something.
more specific, right? That's a problem, more specific. Okay, Pak. Minimalnya biar presenter dulu jawab. Nanti kalau memang audiens ada yang menambahkan, let me add the answer. I have another opinion. Karena Anda membuka situs yang lain, informasi berbeda, tidak apa-apa. That's gonna make our life more richer than usual. Okay, Agung, you just read. Agung. Okay.
The wages censoring cover multitudes of the activities and seen from murder, rape, arson, death, and damage of property to the less overtly criminal matters of the careless motoring, self-resident, buying and the selling children, and the other or the impact from social unemployment such as debt, prostitution, buying and selling children, and others are the impact of unemployment. Crimes is a phenomenon of group.
You see, written English.
Yes.
If you don't give comment, I do not know your very basic English. Huh? I don't know.
One area of criminal law is the offense against property. And what is the constitute of the offense against property? That's it. Thank you.
The topic of the MSc Constitution and fact that equality of international law.
Okay, yes.
Oh, but enough for the answering.
Gavin, you just directly answer to what is violence. Let them know the difference between two. You just mentioned only one, right? Right. So what is the violence?
Violation. Ada violation.
Sakit kepala aku.
Tadi sudah masuk itu ya.
Jangan
Society to benefit of person what might be outdated on 1 year might not have been the year before public opinion is not set for all the time and legislation reflect changing habit and more. No.
Puji or Agung And so, what is violation?
And sin from murder, rifle, assault, death, and damage of property to the rest of the criminal matters of conflict by using criminal section are studying the oldest way as all human civilization.
Next week?
Next week.
Okay. Finish ya? Nanti kita saya
Please reuse deviant or immoral for the majority of
No, that's violence.
Broke the door.
Hah?
Broke the
Broke
door.
the door. Tapi yang crime mungkin melanggar norma.
Violation is inside the crime.
Ya, the crime was right. Crime, the most specific. So,
Well, the police officer magistrate for the